another event where we are offering our community, especially our club members and the local community, an opportunity to help their animals. So we're doing that through a spay-neuter clinic. They can get vaccinations, they can get microchipping. It's really a way for us to show that we don't just talk about spay and neutering and talk about responsibility, we show them how. And so we have a lot of wonderful funders who have come through to help us with this event, to put together giveaways and to have an opportunity for them to bring their animal for free vaccinations, free spay and neutering, to show our community what it means to care for your animal. Not just the theoretical talk, practical way to show love to our animals, show respect for our community. That's why we're here today.
We had a guest star here, a judge from Dancing with the Stars. She actually spent some time with the kids talking about the value of pets and how to treat pets.
We're bringing free spay and neuter to the community thanks to donations and grants by Petco Foundation, Pedigree Foundation, and Build-A-Bear. We can provide free spay and neuter, free microchips, vaccinations, dog and cat collars, blankets, everything is free to the community. We have Cesar Milan joining us today, Councilmember Dennis Zine, politicians, celebrities. We want to bring out the message that spay and neuter is the right thing to do and it saves lives.
When you look at our animals and the neglect that takes place and the lack of support from many people in the community, we need to bring them together to help support. Today's event is reflective of people who love and care for animals, and we can have a free spay and neuter, and we have it here at this beautiful site. This is what it's about.
So we do surgeries, we do hernia repairs, broken legs, things like that to help out the 501c3 rescue groups in the community with medical funding.
People have come out in droves. This is all free. We are supporting the opportunity so that people who want to do the right thing have the opportunity to do that.